Hello friends, this is Nipun. In today's video, we are going to learn how to invite friends in a Zoom meeting through the friend request. And this idea is given by my subscriber who commented in the comment section. So let's get started. So first, click on plus sign, click on add a contact, and type his or her email ID. So after typing, so after typing it, add contact. So as you know, it has been added to our contact. Now the remote site should accept our request, so let us meet in the remote site and click on OK. Okay, now I am back in the remote site. So first you are having two options to accept the request. The first, click on contact request, and you can even access from here, or else go back, go to settings tab, go to contacts, click on contact request, and you can accept from even here. So if you click on tick mark, you will be able to contact or chat with the friend. Okay, so click on chat. So let us say hi. From here you can even chat with your friends. So let us chat from the remote side again. Let us say hi. So this how you will be adding your friend request. So thank you for watching this video.